How to use coupon codes on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First step is to launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to explore the app and find the products that you want to purchase. After that, you want to add that product to your cart. Then you want to tap on the cart icon. Now select the products that you want to check out, then tap on the checkout option. Here you want to enter your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Now scroll down and here you can enter your payment method. After that, if you scroll down, you have this option that says apply coupon code. Tap on this. Now if you have a coupon code, you want to enter that code on this box. After you've entered that, tap on the apply option. If the code you've entered is valid, it will be successfully applied. Now you can tap on the order and pay option and follow the on-screen instructions. And in this way, you can use the coupon codes on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.